on track. First day after the car is registered. Same day we register the car, less than 24 hours, the car is on track. Warming up the tyres. We can only do one hot lap though. Got enough battery to only run one hot lap. This car feels so soft compared to the Mate. Got only 40% left. Don't think we can do a lot. Not a fast time because it's not full power. It's a warm-up lap. On the other side. Going full speed yet. Last lap.
A drift.
Yeah. Slow down. No power. Car got no power, that's why it's drifting all over. See? Right, drift mode. So,
No longer track mode. This is
I'm
drift
track mode, but the car is drifting all over. Okay, drift up the hill a little bit. Something only, not even hitting 200. Power has been cut. 241 with passenger and cut power. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. I think this year, this is our first video on our new Tesla service center. We've been really busy for the past, whole year I guess, setting up this new Tesla center. This is a Tesla sales and service center where we actually sell brand new Teslas as well as some recons. And this is our workshop at the back. So we are actually the first in Malaysia to have a full independent 4S center, that we actually have also the official diagnostic systems and the equipment to actually support these cars. Right, so this week we actually took delivery of our latest 2020 Tesla Model 3 Performance, as you can see over here. Less than 20 hours after it was registered, we brought it to Sepang track, as you have seen on the video just now. Okay, and we clocked an unofficial time of 2:36 with this stock standard Model 3 Performance. You can see from the tires and the cleanliness of the car just came back from track just a while ago, and instead of sending the car for a wash, we installed the first mods that we think that is really unique and special for the car. Let me show you what we have done to the car. This is still a stock standard Model 3 Performance. Okay, it's controlled by our phone, as all Teslas. Okay, just opening up the car. This car is a white interior, and what we did was we actually installed the yoke steering with carbon fiber. Okay, and also the CarPlay screen. So in a while you'll see it being connected to my phone, and when it starts up, so I can start it up for you to see. This is actually our first mod. Okay, and yeah, over here everything else is standard. Okay, so this is the screen after it's been paired. So you can see, most important feature of this screen is to use Waze navigation. This is where we're located right now. Okay, this is our new location. It's actually at 51A/227C, which is over here. Okay, and you also can use your Spotify over here. Of course, you can also use it on the screen or in the Tesla system. And this is a full CarPlay screen, so you can actually use Google Maps also, and whatever that CarPlay allows you to do so. Okay, right, Sepang tag is still up. Gotta take that off. We just came back from Sepang, right? So next thing to do, to make the car faster in track, we plan to install new set of suspension, new set of brakes, also wheels. We are going to downsize the wheels with better tires. Tires are not really great on track. That's why I think the car is powerful enough. Okay, this car does an acceleration of 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds, and officially, so-called, we captured on video 241 with a passenger and with reduced power, because the battery was below 40%, and we could only do about 200 kilometers an hour on this main straight. We were doing 200 and close to 220 on the main straight when it had 80%, but unfortunately we had problems with our video, so we didn't get that footage. That was the 236 video, but after that tires started to give way and we lost time, we lost power as well. Okay, do stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe and please follow. Hopefully we'll give you more exciting mods on cars like this, really special. And please, if you have time or you're interested to also buy a Tesla, do not hesitate to come visit us. We'll put the address at the description down below so that you can come and visit us, make an appointment for a test drive. We have the M3, the Model 3 Performance, Model 3 Long Range, Standard Range for test drive as well. All three ranges we can allow you for a test drive. We also have the Model X at the back, and Model 3 also as well for test drives, and soon Model Y also for test drive. We have our Model Y test drive car being cleared at the customs right now in the Port Klang, and when it arrives, it's open for test drive. Right guys, see you guys soon. Bye.